I'm about to cry because it helped me so much. It fixed everything in my life, basically. I was really active in my 20s. I was doing P90X with all my friends, and we were getting really super into everything, fitness and exercising. And I thought, hey, I'm really great. I was fit, I was in shape, I had muscles and all that. 10 years go by, and in 2020, when COVID hit, I had a work from home job. We all go working from home. I gained 40 pounds without noticing until my clothes started fitting poorly. So I joined the program, I think in February of 2023. I went to Taiwan with my wife. She's Taiwanese. We go on this amazing 2-week trip to Taiwan. I'm just binging food nonstop. All this food I've never eaten before in my life, eat. I gained 12 pounds in 12 days in Taiwan. And I came back to work at like 2:35, and I'm like, my clothes don't even fit anymore. You don't really see there's a problem until it's a problem, you know, and now it's a real problem. My testosterone when I got checked was 50, and like the range is like 800. I lost 45 pounds in 2 years. And it's like, okay, well, it works, and I still have like 15 pounds left I want to lose. You don't have to think. You just do what Dr. Brazel and Dr. Fannin tell you to do. If Dr. Umat tells you, well, stop eating this and try this and do that, just do it. It'll work. Really, the thing that did it was intermittent fasting. Try eating 3 meals a day at 1,500 calories. It's just impossible. So if I want McDonald's, I'll go eat it. But instead of ordering 6 sandwiches, I'll order 1 or 2.
Wait a minute. Wait. Did you actually say 6 sandwiches?
Oh, I could eat $50 worth of McDonald's.
Oh
I could eat 10. I could eat 10 Big Mac. There was no limit to the amount of food that I could eat. I realized now I was in a constant state of full, and I would eat when I wasn't full. Slowly over time, you eat less food, you make better choices. I see the in-body is working. I'm losing 5-10 pounds. Okay, well, imagine if I intermittent fast and actually ate real food. It clicked and I stopped craving the food so much.
Okay.
And the losing of the weight, and now my clothes fit better, that became more satisfying than the food. I feel like when my hormones were balanced, I felt a lot better. I didn't even know I could feel better. I thought I felt fine before. I feel great now. I feel there's pep in my step. I feel light. I feel like I could just run. If you join the program, it's literally the best decision you'll ever make for your health. You hear all these super rich people, they spend all this money trying to be healthier. They're spending all this time and money trying to have more time in their life, right? You'll feel so much better. You don't even realize how much better you could feel if even just your hormones are balanced, let alone all these other things. I mean, this lab is like 40 different tests or something?
Tons of tests,
Didn't even know this stuff existed.
So what does longevity mean to you?
I mean, it's everything. It gets me out of the crappy job. I'm about to cry because it helped me so much. I mean, it completely changed my life. Yeah, I mean, that's how. It fixed everything in my life, basically. I'm very thankful.
I think you've done us a great service to all the listeners today by explaining to them what longevity means to you and how they could transform their lives. I don't think any doctor could have ever put it as succinctly as you did. So I really want to thank you for going out on a limb to talk about your journey. We're advising people about what can be when they themselves don't know what is possible for them.